Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get dark mode on or off on the Honor 90 smartphone. This is part of our Honor 90 coverage, and we'll be wrapping it up soon with our long-term review of the device, so make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel and have that notification bell so that you know when we actually publish it. Right then, first things first, unlock your Honor 90. And as you can see here, by default I have a light theme on. But you can change that quite easily in settings. So click the settings icon, scroll down to display and brightness, and you'll see it here at the forefront. You have the option to go for dark mode or light mode, or to auto switch between the two. In this case I'm going to manually select dark mode, and there you have it. So if you go back to the home screen and pull down the notification shade, you now see that everything is in dark mode. And if you go into the settings menu, everything is dark mode there. Apps that can will respond by automatically entering dark mode if they detect that the system is in dark mode. Okay, so I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any further questions or you'd like to let us know what you think, please do leave a comment in the section below. And as I said earlier, we're going to be wrapping up our long-term review of the Honor 90 soon, so make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks and have that notification bell on so that you are notified of when we get that video published. For now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.